variable contributions. Our pensioners made to this organization during their working years. So we expect about 3,800 pensioners to participate in these activities. So during that day, we intend to announce many programs, but let me highlight, we're going to maybe relaunch. We're trying to make membership in SSS very beneficial, and we're trying to tie up with many partners. One of them is Unilab. So Unilab, as you know, is a very large pharmaceutical company, and we're going to launch an Alagang SSS program with them. So members 60 years old and above will be able to avail of special pricing for Unilab products. So those are two of the highlights for Pensioners Day. So with that, Press.
Celebration, we are paying tribute to our outstanding and loyal employees who showed exemplary performance in their respective designations in the company. So this will be the coming event of SSS for the whole month of September.
You are eligible to become part of SSS wherever you are in the world. So we're having it in Cebu because ito po yung growth areas namin, and it's about time that we become closer to our members, pensioners, and employers in the Visayas region. Now, in summary po, September is a very busy month for SSS, and it is a month of celebration from the hard work na binigay ko ng team ko sa SSS from January up to today, no? So I would summarize 2025, and we're reaching the fourth quarter na, by another Senate Bill 451 that was filed by then Senator Ralph G. Recto, who is the chairman of SSS today, the Social Security Commission. So sila po ang talagang programa po nila to. It took a bit longer, but at least with the proper directive and the proper guidance, we are set to implement it in a few days' time. No? In fact, narana mo yung IT pension run, and na-check na mo. So it's just about crediting na. So, yun mo yung, but hindi po tayo natatapos doon. So, until the end of the year, and I think it was mentioned by our President during the Labor Day celebration on the micro-loan facility. So, we target by December, partnering with one of the leading universal banks, Union Bank, we will be launching itong first with Union Bank, the micro-loan facility ng SSS of OFWs. So it's under ano na po yun. It's underway, the study, and what I can tell you is that we realized that, and I think alam din naman yun, iba ang buhay ng Filipino living in Riyadh versus the one living, say for example, in Singapore, living in Doha, living in the US, and we need to make sure that the Social Security adapts to the needs of our Filipino members living outside the Philippines. There are other programs. Yung coverage drive on the informal sector, working with the job orders in government, with officials that with barangay officials that being covered by GSIS, So ang drivers namin for growth next year would be the continuous, from a membership perspective, is the continuous drive to generate additional members. We work with better collection, making sure that we are more strict. We will continue with our run after contribution evaders program. But I'd like to highlight also that for next year, the main focus of our drive would be the construction industry. Itong construction industry, based on recent studies, nandito yung aming mga madaming delinquencies dito sa construction industry na hindi properly reported ang number ng tao or even ang kanilang sweldo.